You want the boy more than the boy want you, man. Run. You know, in obvious. Eh? Nobody can push no fight. Me not take program now. Somebody can push me or in the comment section and set me up against nobody, you know, bro. I say I want somebody me I fix their business plan, yeah, so and me don't talk a worry. Me not busy with nobody else. So you feel like if me get hard with Donny, me I jump off and diss him and disrespect him. You say me calm now. Me good. You pass the remarks about me and me lash pan you. Me done this up. Me not busy with you. You come back again, that's how me work. Me not nothing against you. You come cause serious about me and me come back and say something back about you. And me done this up. So me not really business with them. Me don't do my that. Me say me want somebody me have to fix over and me know me have to fix you. Me not busy about nobody else. Oh. So nobody can program me or tell me nothing, bro. So if they add me and him come up and scream, him not this me not this him. What I be? What me I this him for? Dirty Jabass, me say, yeah man, me walk on. Man, me done this up. Me good, bro. You see me? You come and you buy your argument, they say something and I twist things for me and me get mad and me tell them my mind and tell us all things on top of my mind. Me done this, you know. Oh, I'm telling you, me done this up. Me done this up. So if you want to follow me up, follow me up. But me know you miss lady there. You know no escape this a judgment here. You know no escape this a judgment here. You know no escape this a one here. Chat on if you send me no gift, you know, happy birthday them, I appreciate them, I swear. You don't have to really send me no gift. All the happy birthday them, I appreciate them. Yeah, so you don't really have to send me no gift. You understand? Yeah, you know me love when I see you. You see me? Right now, I don't mind all and tell me say PayPal and I send me money pan. I don't want it pan. Happy birthday, honey bunny. What's up, pretty girl Shan? Me say, today I'm my birthday, dog. Birthday, Me is that right? Me tell you no chat. Me don't really want to fussy you, and me don't really want to fussy you, and me always just calm see, bro. You see me? But for my birthday, me just go easy back drink 1 hour, 2 back like this and some nice food or some fast food and just listen to some music, smoke and just all a vibe, bro. You understand me? I just enjoy myself, bro. You understand me? Yeah, bro. I don't really kill up myself or fussy, bro. Me just glad to say me live to see it and me like the idea. Yeah, me like the idea. Go suck out your mama. Ken Torres, go name out your mama. Go suck out your mama. Go suck your mama. Yeah, so me just want to know, say, me have life and life are greatest. And we are do it. You understand? Yeah. Thanks, send me a PayPal. All right, Fiona, let me say it right now. Fiona, let me tell it right now, Fiona. Let me tell you right now, Fiona, that I want to see PayPal and something. Let me see them want to see, chat. PayPal. Don't come in and say, I never see them want to see. I don't want to see no gift. I want to see PayPal. Can I give them TikTok and take off my blood clot money? TikTok and take off my money. With the gift business, my PayPal I want to see. See them, I have $3 on my PayPal right now. $3 be having that. Come. Let me tell you the PayPal name, at Jabass promo. Yeah, we have Zelle too. Lord God Almighty. Work with the PayPal then first. But so deal with the Zelle. Vanessa, I black me, I go black you, and I go suck your mama. I black me, I go black you, Vanessa. See it there, see pin there. At Jabass promo. At Jabass promo. Cash App. No, me nah make you send no money for people in Cash App. Because when you send the money, you go take back your money and fuck people in Cash App. No depend that we do. Yo, someone avoid me here. Someone avoid me here. Alright. Jabass promo. Come chat. And then some I take all my birthday gift. Me no want to no TikTok because TikTok will take your money. Lexi me. Send me through PayPal. I could have $1. Don't send me no gift. Finest body wagwan. Zell. I know Zell in the chat. I tell you the truth, you know, bro. I know Zell. Oh, you reach out. Alright, send where you send then, Lexi. Me take it in.